Good, Ravan. Good. In inter-process profit method, each and every process are not profit. Each and every process are what? Called one? Profit center. Okay. Then it's not a cost center, it's a profit center. In process costing, each and every process are cost center. Inter-process profit, every process is a profit because they are adding profit also. Degree of completion of abnormal gain is always, understood or not? Good, good. You saved your 6 months. Then the type of process loss that should not be allowed to affect the cost of good unit is correct. The type of, read the question.
Abnormal loss. Should not be allowed to. Abnormal loss.
Seasonal loss, abnormal loss, or abnormal gain. What?
Abnormal.
Because of the abnormal loss, can you please tell me, because of the abnormal loss, any impact will be there with respect to cost per unit? No. So, what is the answer? Because that won't affect the cost that we have to transfer to costing P&L account. Therefore, what is the answer? Abnormal loss. Next, 200 units were introduced in a process in which 20 units is the normal loss. If the actual output is 150, then no abnormal loss, no abnormal gain. Abnormal loss 30, abnormal gain 30.
Abnormal loss of 30.
We have given 200 input. Am I right? Out of 200, how much output we got it? 150 only output. Normal loss?
20.
Normal loss?
20.
20 given in this question. Balance how much shortage? 30 is called over and above the normal loss. That is called the what? Abnormal loss. Answer C. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Next. 100 units are proceed at the total cost of 160. Normal loss is 10%. Scrap units are sold at 25 paise. If the output is 8 unit, then the value of abnormal loss is what? In debit side, input is how much? Given input 100 units. How much the total cost of 100 units? Total cost itself 120, not cost per unit, am I right? Total cost. 100 units value comes to 160. Next, normal loss is how much?
10%.
Credit side, normal loss 10% comes to 10 units.
Yes,
Salvage value 25 paise. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
10 into 0.25 is equal to 2 rupees 50 paise. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
2 rupees 50 paise is the normal loss. Then output is how much? 80. Therefore, abnormal loss is how much? 100 minus 10 minus 8 is equal to 10 is the abnormal loss. Am I right or not? Quantity is 10. What is the value they are asking? With respect to value, cost per unit formula you have to use. Am I right? What is the formula for cost per unit? Gross cost minus normal loss salvage value divided by input quantity minus normal loss quantity. Yeah? Input quantity minus normal loss quantity. Gross cost 160 is the gross cost. Am I right? That's the one and only cost given. Am I right? Minus normal loss salvage value 2.5. Then divided by input quantity 100, whereas normal loss quantity 10. Therefore, denominator 90. So, what is the answer, Ganna? What is the answer? 160 minus 2.5 divided by 90 is equal to 1.75 or 17.5. Check it up. 160 minus normal loss 2.5 then 2.5 each, am I right? No, 0.25 each. 10 into 0.25 2.5 only, am I right? 160 minus 2.5 divided by 100 minus 10. 1.75. So the answer should be what? Not 17.5.
1.75.
So maybe the 1.75 or 1.775. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So what would the answer?
1.75.
Check panikirunna. Okay. Okay, maybe instead of that 17.5 இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் இல்லையா 1.75 is the correct answer. Okay, Barna, next போலாமா?